Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Yeah, if it's your first time of watching me, please do me a favor, try and subscribe and turn all the notification bell. Anytime I upload video, you'll be the first person to see it. You understand? Just try, do me a favor and subscribe and turn the bell for more updates. Anytime I upload video, you'll be the first person to see it. Well, in this video we have 370 immigrants arrived in Lampedusa, Italy. Big congratulations to them. And we have 25 missing after migrant ship overturns of Italy. You understand? So these 370 people, a big congratulations to them. You understand? So just also do me a favor and try and subscribe. Don't forget and subscribe. You understand? So let's go to these 25 people. 25 missing after migrant ship return off Italy. You understand? Let's go. About 25 missing after migrant ship overturns Italy. 2 bodies have been recovered and now around 25 people are missing after a small boat carrying migrant capsized off Lampedusa. The Italian Coast Guard said on Monday the Coast Guard went to the rescue of an overload and nearly listing boat 6 nautical miles from the island of Lampedusa with about 50 migrants on board shortly after midnight on Monday, a statement said. As the rescue vessels approaches the area of the southern Italian island, the adverse weather conditions and the sudden displacement of migrants caused the boat to capsize it. You understand? You know the weather how and the people, you know how it is. The weather is not easy if you are on top of the sea. You understand? So unfortunately the boat capsized. Sorry for them, you understand? And the advice of the weather, you know, when the wind is blowing, the boat is doing like this, and the people are, you know, they are scared, and unfortunately the boat capsized and they find 2 dead bodies, you understand, and 25 missing. So without no wasting my time again, I'm sorry for them. Let's go to this. A big congratulations to these people. You understand? When people gone, people will come. You understand? So that is life. You die today, they born today. That is it's just like exchange. So without no wasting my time again, let's go into this one again. Boat carrying nearly 370 migrants reaches Italy, Lampedusa. This one is good news. When we are hearing this, we get hope. You understand? So without no wasting my time, let's go deep into this one again. A fish boat carrying nearly 370 migrants landed overnight on the Italian island of Lampedusa. The country news agency reported on Sunday as a nearly humanitarian ship carrying another 350 people short for disembarking. You know, that is how I just said it. Right now, it's exchange. When people are coming, people are going. You understand? We have 370 migrants arrive and we have 350 migrants disembarking. You understand? So let's go. Italy has been struggling in recent months to deal with the corona. You know how arrival of 100 migrants of corona crisis. You know how it is. It's not easy for them when the arrival, you understand, arrive in Italy for the corona issue and other things. It's not easy right now. So that is what I have. It's just short and understanding. We have 370 migrants arrive in Italy, Lampedusa, and we have 350 disembarking, and we have 25 people missing after the boat returned off to Italy and they find dead bodies. You understand? So it's just short and understanding news. Do me a favor, just subscribe. You understand? Just turn the bell, just subscribe and turn all the notification bell anytime I upload video. You will see it by yourself. You understand? So that is what I have. Thank you for watching.